that thing has got reverse. Which is quite handy, actually. Because it's not that small as such. It's more like it's like a little car with 3 wheels. Kawasaki. I haven't seen a Kawasaki in a long time, but I'm sure I'm gonna be seeing a few today. Right, let's keep walking. Has visto esa? Can-Am. I've seen those Can-Ams at the MCN 2024.
I had an AP when I was 16, and my sister had an AP, so she crashed it. And the old man rebuilt both of them at various days. So the fix was so good. I bought a couple of little Malibu.
Translab. Is that the Joker there?
Yeah.
You don't mind if I film a little bit of it?
Go for it.
Might be putting it on YouTube.
Fair enough.
Are you off now?
Yeah, I'm off now.
All right, okay. That looks like a big Kawasaki 1300. It's a huge engine.
That's what goes in like the thing. Trying to find themselves.